Ever wondered why some people seem to ace every test while others struggle to keep up? What's their secret? Well, fear not. Today, we're going to delve into the world of study hacks and tips that can help turn any study session into a success story. First things first, let's talk about setting the right study environment. Yes, believe it or not, your surroundings play a crucial role in how effectively you absorb information. A clean, well-lit, and quiet space can significantly enhance your concentration. So, ditch that cluttered desk and find your perfect study nook. Next up is time management. Procrastination might seem like your best friend, but it's actually your worst enemy. Plan your study schedule well in advance. Make sure you stick to it. Break your study sessions into manageable chunks. Remember, it's not about studying for long hours, it's about studying smart. Now, an often overlooked study hack is taking regular breaks. It might seem counterproductive, but giving your brain a short rest every 45 minutes to an hour can actually boost productivity and retention. So, don't feel guilty about that 5-minute stretch or a quick walk around the block. You've probably heard it a million times, but hydration and nutrition are key. Drink plenty of water and snack on brain-boosting foods like blueberries, dark chocolate, and nuts. They'll keep your energy levels up and your brain in tip-top shape. Another great hack is to teach what you've learned. This can be to a study buddy, a family member, or even your pet. The act of explaining the material out loud can help cement the information in your brain. Lastly, don't forget about the power of a good night's sleep. It might be tempting to pull an all-nighter before a big test, but sleep deprivation can seriously affect your memory and cognitive abilities. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. To recap, the perfect study session requires the right environment, effective time management, regular breaks, proper hydration and nutrition, teaching the material out loud, and of course, a good night's sleep. With these tips in your arsenal, you're well on your way to acing your next test. Remember, the key to success isn't studying harder, it's studying smarter. And with these study hacks, you'll be well equipped to do just that. So go on, take these tips and turn your study game around. Your future self will thank you. And before we close, I want to take a moment to say thank you. Your support is what makes this channel possible, and your engagement is what keeps it going. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you won't miss out on any future videos. Your support helps me create more awesome content for you. So, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Until next time, keep studying smart and keep supporting the channel. Remember, we're in this together, and together we'll ace those tests.